Hi, Kira from the future here, and I'm already did up. Everything's already done, and I forgot to film an intro. So guys, welcome to my channel. Hi, how are you doing? Welcome back. This week, I'm going to do a maintenance routine week style video. I'm just gonna pamper myself. That's pretty much it. I'm getting my lashes done, my nails done, my hair done, new clothes, facials. We're doing the whole shebang. So I decided to take you guys with me, and yes, let's just jump right into the video. Hey guys, it's Kira here. I'm recording on my phone because I cannot get it together. I woke up late and I'm running late for my lash appointment. I don't know what happened. I just fell asleep and woke up and was like, oh shit, where did the time go? I'm trying to take off my makeup right now. She's gonna be like, just come back. You got a lot going on. Just come back another day. And my lashes are dirty because I put glue on them today. Jesus. My windows are not tinted. So people are probably like, what you got going on? Okay, hopefully I got off the makeup and my lashes don't fall off my eyes in 2 days. Jesus. But like I was saying, I just woke up and I left my freaking camera. This is a perfect start to a video. Like, we just can't get it together. It's just not happening today. So, yeah, we're just gonna record on my phone. I'll record all the good stuff. You know, hopefully, like I said, my lashes stay on because my face is full of makeup. So, this is a mess. Guys, it's the very next day after my lash appointment, and I went to a different girl this time because the girl that I was going to, I swear to God, it was like my lashes were falling out the very next day. Like, I would have no lashes by the end of the week. So I was like, something is wrong. Like, my lashes should not be falling out this fast. So I ended up going to a new girl, and I feel like she made them too thick. Hold on, let me show you. So here are my lashes. First off, I feel like they're so thick. Like, literally, I know they're gonna fall out and like slowly look natural, but they've never looked like this thick before. They usually look so light and natural when I first get them, but I'm like, girl, these are really like dark. These are really thick and fluffy, and I don't know why, but every time I get my lashes done, my eyes are swollen in the morning. Like, if you look right here, like the bottom of my eyes are irritated and swollen. I don't know why. Comment down below, like maybe I just have sensitive eyes or they're irritated, but yeah. So no makeup for today. Anyways, I am up because today I have nails. I'm going to get my nails done and I'm going to get my toes done today because sis, this is a mess. And my feet, oh, I'm not even gonna show you guys my feet because you're gonna unsubscribe. I'm not even gonna do that to myself. That is self-sabotage. But yeah, we have got to get these nails done because I can't keep walking around like this. I'm embarrassed. Of course, we have to oil the scalp. I'm just trying to oil my scalp because my head is like itching me like crazy. All right, I'm about to get dressed, and then I will see you guys when I'm on my way to the nail salon. I'm on my way to my appointment, and I just want to show you guys why I get so frustrated every time I try to drive. Y'all, there's bumper to bumper traffic right now, and it's not even 3 o'clock. Like, oh my gosh. I mean, I can't do anything but sit here, but
take exit 10 on to State Route 120 on Old Milton Parkway toward Johns Creek.
I'm gonna be late. All right, guys, so my nails are done and this is the finished product. I don't really know if I like it. I'm one of those people where if I don't like my nails, it's like I don't know why, but I feel like I'm scared to say anything. Like, I just be like, maybe she gonna fix it in the end. And this is it. Honestly, it's the shape. Like, what? I've never seen this before. I don't know. These nails are so freaking sharp. I scratched myself like at least 8 times coming home. Honestly, the only thing I don't like is the shape because everything else is bomb. And I didn't even vlog myself when I was in there because she she didn't seem like she was in a vlogging mood. She was very standoffish. Like, she probably said like 2 or 3 words to me the whole time, which is fine, but it was like, okay. So I didn't pull my camera out because I just didn't feel comfortable, honestly. And my nails are cool, but I'm definitely gonna go inside and see if I can just try to shape them a little bit more how I would wear them, because this is just not it. Yeah, they're just not growing on me. All right, let's go inside. Literally, I had to scour my whole house for a nail file, and I found this. Sis, what is this gonna do? But my nails are literally scratching the out of me, so I have to do something. I hope, let's see if this will work. Okay, that's doing something. All right, so I tried my hardest to file them, and honestly, I like these so much better. Like, it's not exactly perfect, but this looks so much better than what I had going on before. So yes, my nails, they're done. I like them now. Okay, let me chill out. Girl, what the hell are you doing? Some of my packages actually came in today. I don't know if I'm gonna do this like before this video or after this video, but y'all, I don't know what I had going on the other day, but I just dropped like a whole bag when I was online shopping. Like, I meant to go get like a couple of jeans, and I ended up spending like $2,000, so there's that. I'll show you a couple of the pieces that I got. I'm not gonna show you everything. Oh God. I'm not gonna show you everything because I want to save that for my haul, but I went crazy. So, honestly, I forgot what I got. What the hell? What is this? Well, honestly, I don't even remember buying this. I don't know what this is. This looks like just... Oh, okay, I remember what this is. So this is a bodysuit. Listen, hear me out. It's really cute on the model. So I got it for myself, and hopefully it'll be like super cute to wear with like a really cute like pair of jeans and some sneakers. I don't know. I got like 4 pairs of jeans because I'm getting thick. Okay, people? All my jeans are like tight, and I don't even like skinny tight jeans. Like, I like my jeans to be very loose and baggy, and my jeans are starting to hug me. That's what I knew. Your girl is gaining weight. Like, it's finally paying off. So I had to get like a whole bunch of new jeans. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 pair of jeans. Like I said, I'm not gonna show you everything like try on haul style because I do have a video coming, but girl, these nails are ridiculous. Ooh, I forgot I bought this. Okay, here is a dress I got. Listen, hear me out. It's cute. All these pieces you're probably looking at like, Kera, what the f? But I promise you, these are cute. Oh my gosh, this looks like it's gonna be too little. What? This looks like a t-shirt. I don't think I can fit this. Hold on, let me try it on. Okay, this might go back to the store. It's cute though, but girl, my butt? Oh Jesus, I'm gonna flash y'all. This is too small. I like it though. Hold on. Let me see in the mirror. What do y'all think? This looks like a t-shirt. I can make it work. I like it. I think I'm gonna keep it. Will my butt come out? Girl, I barely got one, so it might not even pop out. I don't know. Let's see. It just needs to be down like just a little bit, like right here. Okay, I'm keeping it. All right, people, today is Wednesday. I think it's Wednesday. I'm not even sure no more. But anyways, today is the day I take down my braids. My braids have been like my signature style for like the past, I don't know, it's been like at least 4 or 5 months. Like, I've had braids nonstop for 4 or 5 months, but I'm over it, okay? I'm literally over my braids. I love them, but I just feel like I'm ready for something different. So we're taking the braids out today. All I know is this is about to take me forever. Okay, so I wanted to quickly show you guys the hair that I'm going to be wearing, and it's by Kera Hair, and I got their full lace straight wig. It's freaking soft. Like, guys, I really like this hair. I've been experimenting with wigs, and I love this hair, and it came with all of these things, so I'm gonna leave all of that in the description bar. Let's get on to the good stuff. So I ended up bleaching this hair to make the knots like seamless as possible, and then I went ahead and plucked this hair. Like, I was not playing no games when it came to plucking. I wanted to make sure that it looked like scalp, people. So after that, I went ahead and installed the hair, and yeah, my first time doing it, so it took a little patience, but I think I got it down pat. And once again, guys, I'm gonna leave everything about this hair in the description bar below so you can get your own, because I definitely feel like this is a good beginner-friendly, affordable wig for girls like you and me that just are getting into the game, and we're still trying to figure it out. Like, it's really manageable, and I think I made it work. Yeah, so I just want to come back and give you an update, because at first I did not know what was going on. Like, this is what the whole frontal was looking like, and I knew that this was a mess. So I tried to finesse it, and here we go. This is as good as I can get it. For some reason, this lace is like whiter than my usual lace, and I'm not that good at doing frontals, but it's never been like this white before, so I don't know if it's the glue or the lace itself, but I finessed it. Here is what it looks like now, and I'm going to wrap my hair, and I know once I wrap my hair it'll look even better. Oh yeah, let me go ahead and try to do the other side, but I think I did a good job, honestly. So mad. I had to run out the house, and I just grabbed a pair of glasses, and of course I would grab the glasses that are not only crooked as hell, but they're too big for my face, so now I look like a bug. But anyways, I did my hair, and I didn't even get to show you guys. Honestly, it looked way better the other day. Okay, today is like some bedhead. I didn't even straighten the hair, but this looks really good for it to be my first time doing a front. Oh god, I gotta just take these glasses off. I have to. This looks good to be my first time doing a frontal, and like, come on, like, I think I did really good. It's a little messed up, but I can tweak it. It's like, it's not bad. Like, honestly, from far away, it looks like scalp. Like, honey, this is scalp. So yeah, my hair looks kind of crazy right now, but I did pretty good for it to be my first time doing it myself. Like, I just saved like $300. Right now we are headed to get a facial. My cousin, you guys know, she's in esthetician school, so she's gonna do a facial for me, and I like really need it. Like, I feel like my skin is doing better. Like, my skin looks really good, but I just need like a deep flush, like just to clean everything and really get into my pores. So I'm really excited about this facial, and yeah, we're on the way right now. Okay guys, I'm here. My cousin getting me right. Watch the lace, honey.
Ooh, girl, you got this hair going for me.
This numbing cream. Okay, so you're probably wondering, what am I doing? And I completely forgot to film an intro to this day because I'm a horrible YouTuber. But basically, guys, I am back to get some filler because I don't know. I don't know why I'm here. So that's my explanation. I felt like when I got it for the first time, I just got a little bit just to see how I would like it, and now I know how much I really want, so I went back to actually get a good amount of filler. So here we are. I'm going to get my lips filled just a little bit more, and I'm also going to get my eyes filled because as you guys can see, I still have bags. So, you know, I want to get my money's worth. So we are back. I can't feel my lips. Oh my God. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try to be quick because my camera's about to die, but that is the end of my maintenance routine week. Honestly, everything was a success except for my eyelashes. Like, I don't know why, but me and individual eyelashes don't work. I don't know if it's the glue, if it's my eyes, if it's the soap that I use, I don't know. But every time I get eyelash extensions, they fall off by the end of the week. So I think that's my last time getting it. Comment down below if that happens to you, so I know I'm not tripping, because it's becoming a waste of money. So yeah, that's the only bad thing. Other than that, I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I don't know what else to say. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.